Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the undo send time allotted in your Gmail settings. So if you accidentally send an email and you might want to click that undo button, I'm going to show you guys how to change how long of the duration that option will appear for. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon up in the top right corner of Gmail. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go underneath quick settings, select the see all settings button. So just go ahead and open that up. And now underneath general, you want to scroll down. On the right side underneath undo send, send cancellation period. You click on the drop down here to adjust how many seconds you want to allow before the file or email is actually sent. So anything between 5 and 30 seconds. And that's pretty much it. Once you've made your selection, just go ahead and select it and then scroll down and then select the Save Changes button. And that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.